In the depths of Siberia lies a frozen giant, Lake Baikal. The oldest, deepest, and most mysterious lake on Earth. Deep in the heart of Siberia, Lake Baikal, the world's largest and deepest freshwater lake, is bracing for the onset of winter. As the seasons shift, the lake's surroundings undergo a vibrant transformation, with trees donning a kaleidoscope of colors. The lake's surface, once a mirror-like reflection of the sky, begins to ripple with the changing winds. As the water temperature drops, the lake's aquatic life begins to prepare for the harsh winter ahead. The trees, once a vibrant green, are now donning a kaleidoscope of colors, a final burst of beauty before the winter's snow. The surrounding mountains, once a lush green, are now ablaze with the vibrant colors of autumn. As the seasons shift, the lake's shoreline becomes a haven for wildlife, seeking refuge from the harsh winter ahead. The air temperature drops, and the lake's surface begins to cool, signaling the start of winter's transformation. Snow comes softly, not with a storm, but a song. Each flake melts against the water for a moment, then holds. The lake begins to remember its winter. As the snowfall intensifies, the lake's shoreline becomes a winter wonderland, with snow-covered trees and rocks. The lake's surface begins to freeze, as the cold temperatures and snowfall combine to create a layer of ice. Ice thicker than steel groans and splinters, its voice echoing for miles. Every crack, every bubble, is a frozen record of time, whispers preserved beneath the cold. Yet even here, life endures. The only freshwater seal on Earth rises to breathe in a world of silence and stone. From swans clinging to warmth, to predators on the hunt, to storm, winter is a test. The Baikal seal, the Nerpa, is the lake's most remarkable survivor. For thousands of years, surfacing through hidden holes to breathe. Small, round, and built for the cold, it is a guardian of Baikal's depths. Even in the harshest cold, the whooper swans endure. Their breath mists into the frozen air. Each exhaled a fragile cloud of warmth. From above, they are islands of life in a desert of ice. The warm springs beneath the lake's surface resist the freeze, creating havens for survival. But every flight is a struggle. Powerful wings push against the weight of the Siberian wind. Alongside them, ducks cluster tightly, bodies pressed together for warmth, each bird a shield against the cold. Here, silence is broken only by ripples and calls, the faint music of life holding fast against the season's grip. Even in winter's grip, life clings to open water. The whooper swan endures, its call echoing across the frozen expanse. From above, they are small islands of warmth in a desert of ice. Springs that resist freezing become sanctuaries for survival. Every feather carries frost. Every wing beat carries the weight of survival. But where there is life, there are hunters, testing the edge of the ice. On the surface, Baikal becomes a froze desert. The air burns with cold. With one precise leap, the hunter breaks through snow and silence alike. The red fox listens beneath the crust, detecting the faint rustle of a vole hidden in its tunnel. Yet across this silence, tracks appear foldered, signs that life refuses to surrender. Arctic hares bound between frozen dunes, their breath visible in the freezing air. Every heartbeat here is a fight against the cold. Yet even in this frozen desert, the living endure, each adapted to a world that demands perfection or death. As the earth tilts, light begins its return. The sun climbs higher, painting Baikal in gold. As spring nears, Baikal exhales, cracks open, and rivers of meltwater run across its skin. What was once silent begins to sing again. Here, at the heart of Siberia, Lake Baikal holds time itself. It tells the same story of endurance, silence, and rebirth. In the breath of its frozen winds lives the memory of the world.